Start your woodworking journey with confidence using tools that deliver precision, safety, and smooth performance for every project you create. Best Router Table for Beginners helps you achieve clean cuts, stable routing, and professional results without frustration every single time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Bosch RA1181 Router Table. The Bosch RA1181 Router Table is a highly reliable and beginner-friendly option designed for users who want professional-level accuracy without complicated setup. Its large aluminum tabletop provides an extended working surface that supports wider materials and improves overall stability during routing tasks. The rigid aluminum mounting plate comes pre-drilled for compatibility with many popular routers, making installation simple and ensuring accurate alignment. One of its standout features is the extra-tall aluminum fence, which includes adjustable faceplates and featherboards, allowing users to maintain consistent control over their workpieces. This design is especially helpful for beginners learning how to achieve straight, clean cuts. The built-in dust collection port supports standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses, helping keep the workspace clean and improving visibility while working. Adjustable featherboards further enhance safety by reducing kickback and guiding materials smoothly through the bit. The accessory slot allows users to add optional tools such as miter gauges, increasing versatility for different woodworking projects. Number 2. SKIL RT1323 Router Table. The SKIL RT1323 Router Table Combo Kit is an excellent choice for beginners who want both a router and table in one complete package. This set includes the SRT1039 router table and a powerful 10-amp fixed-base router, eliminating the need to purchase additional components. The router's 2.0 HP motor delivers smooth and consistent performance, while features such as soft start, speed control, and a live tool indicator improve safety and control. The table itself includes above-the-table height adjustment, integrated bit storage, a starter pin, and 2 featherboards, making it easy for beginners to fine-tune their setup. Its aluminum miter gauge slot allows for accurate crosscuts and angled routing tasks. The large 24-inch fence provides excellent material support and features adjustable MDF faceplates and a protective guard, ensuring stable operation with taller workpieces. The die-cast motor housing and ergonomic handles offer durability and comfortable handling. This combination of power, precision, and convenience makes the SKIL RT1323 especially appealing to new woodworkers. It allows users to start routing immediately without complicated assembly. With its balanced performance and user-friendly features, this combo kit is ideal for those who want a straightforward, cost-effective way to build routing skills. Number 3. POWERTEC Benchtop Router Table. The POWERTEC Benchtop Router Table stands out for its stability, precision, and advanced adjustment features, making it a strong option for beginners seeking long-term reliability. It comes with a heavy-duty steel stand that provides a solid foundation and includes vibration-dampening rubber feet for improved control. The wide working surface offers excellent support for larger materials, enhancing both safety and accuracy. Its deluxe fence system includes an adjustable bit guard, featherboard, flip stop, and integrated dust port, allowing users to maintain consistent measurements and clean operation. The included right-to-left measuring tape further simplifies setup and alignment. 4 reducing insert rings accommodate different bit sizes, ensuring proper material support and minimizing tear-out. These rings are screwless, allowing quick changes without tools. The 8-point leveling system enables precise surface adjustments, helping beginners achieve professional-grade results. The starting pin improves control during freehand routing and curve shaping, reducing the risk of material slipping. With wide router compatibility.
Number 4. Ryobi Universal Router Table. The Ryobi Universal Router Table is a practical and budget-friendly option for beginners who want dependable performance at an affordable price. As a refurbished product, it is professionally tested, cleaned, and inspected to ensure proper functionality before shipping. This process helps deliver a product that looks and works like new while remaining cost-effective. The table is designed to be compatible with a wide range of routers, making it a flexible choice for users who already own a Ryobi or similar model. Its simple layout allows beginners to focus on learning routing techniques without dealing with complicated controls. The sturdy construction provides reliable support for common woodworking tasks, such as edging, trimming, and basic joinery. Included accessories make setup easier, and the unit arrives ready for use with minimal assembly. The compact size makes it suitable for small workshops and home garages, while still offering enough surface area for most beginner projects. For users who want a straightforward router table without unnecessary extras, this model delivers solid functionality.
Number 5. Rockler Convertible Router Table. The Rockler Convertible Router Table is a highly portable and versatile solution designed for beginners who need flexibility in their workspace. This table features a folding base that can be configured into 4 different modes, allowing it to be used on a benchtop, wall-mounted, freestanding, or folded for storage. This adaptability makes it ideal for small shops, garages, and job site use. Its compact design allows users to transport it easily and store it under a bench or inside a vehicle when not in use. The quick release pins make setup and breakdown fast and convenient. The sturdy fence provides reliable guidance for accurate routing, while the triangulated base improves stability during operation. This model is compatible with most compact and mid-sized routers, making it suitable for beginners using standard equipment. However, it does not support large or plunge routers, which helps maintain balance and safety. Although the router plate is sold separately, this allows users to customize their setup according to their specific needs. The Rockler Convertible Router Table is especially useful for woodworkers who work in limited spaces or frequently change locations. Overall, it delivers excellent portability, smart design, and dependable performance, making it a strong choice for beginners who value convenience and versatility. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.